Hello guys, Blaze here. Welcome to this video. I've recently seen I'm not getting that much, but that's okay. That much subs and stuff, but that's okay. Anyways, got some Poway. Stuff is bomb. South Korea, that's why we got Z's. Poway is bomb though. If you've never tried it, basically this. I'm gonna tell you, it might be better than Gatorade. I don't know. But anyways, let's see. Okay, these. Workshop. I'm gonna start off with a big. So this is gonna be our ending one. Wait, they already did it. Oh. Alright, next one, let's do this. Let's put a lot of them. And we can put this in. Wait, did I already... bunch of smoke. Okay, this. Alright, how does this sound? Actually, we're trying that from forward. And then tab. Let's just go with one of these. Heal. Put a heal. Okay, now we light this. See from a little hole. It's just a bunch of smoke. Oh, I didn't know that. Alright, try this. Is it gonna make a tiger? Oh wow. Oh yeah, we gotta see that from Puzzle. Put this there. Let's just do 3 good metal. Alright. Yep, one more of these again. This time we're gonna go Fuzzle. Right about here. This time we're gonna go to instant. this. This, 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 and nothing else. Alright, you guys ready? Let's see this. Pretty cool. Mom, you fall been waiting for. I'm gonna go real far away. Alright, we go up. There we go. Hill. And just do right here. We gotta go all the way. I'm gonna use shift. Get there with a little follow through. No. Okay, up. There we go. Oh wait, accident. Oh my gosh. Okay. Up we go. Heal. No. Delete that. Okay. You guys ready for this? If you guys haven't already, hit that little like button, the subscribe button, and comment button. If you want to comment anything else we should play on Roblox or anything, we can probably play it. And also hit that little notification saying to get notified whenever we get posting. So yeah, let's get back with the video. Alright, I'm back. You guys ready? Three, 2, 1. I think it's clearing. Okay. Y'all ready? Sweet. Okay. Might be crazy. But this is what I'm doing. I know it's not good, but I'm gonna be doing something. This, and then this. Okay. One last one today. Okay. 3, 2. My computer might actually break, yo. Oh no! Oh, guys, can you hear anything? Oh my gosh. What does that look? I don't know what that looks like. There's a ring of fire. I'm surprised my computer didn't die. Well, anyways, always remember, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. No. Peace and love, and I see you next. Bye.